Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix apps crashing on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, we need to find the app that's crashing. So I do not have any apps that crash right now. So let's go to app management in settings. Here we want to go to app list right at the top, and it will load every single app on our device. Now, as you guys can see, I'll choose WhatsApp for it, or maybe I'll choose WeZone for it. Here we have storage and cache. Now what we want to do is we want to clear the cache and data of the misbehaving app. So we're going to click on clear storage, and this will also delete the cache automatically. So we deleted the data, we deleted the cache. Now what we want to do is we want to update it from the store. So this app is actually a system app. So if your app is on the Play Store, you should open and then update it. It should be either by search, or if you click on your avatar and you click manage apps and device, here you will have updates available, and you just click on update on your app that's crashing. Now what you guys want to do is check for a system update, and once you do that, you go into settings. You need to go to settings, system, and system update. Now click on online update, and my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And once you check for a system update, what you guys can do is simply click on the app that was crashing. Now as you guys can see, everything works just fine, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.